My dear friend, I see you struggling. I see you trapped in a cycle of fear, doubt, and self-blame. I see you drowning in darkness, unable to see the light that is waiting for you. But I am here to tell you that you have the power to break free from this rabbit hole you have found yourself in. It is time to stop living in fear. It is time to stop doubting yourself and your abilities. It is time to stop hating yourself for past mistakes and blaming others for your current situation. It is time to take responsibility for your own life and your own happiness. You are worthy of love and kindness, my friend. You are worthy of embracing yourself as you are, flaws and all. You are worthy of starting anew today, right now, in this very moment. Do not wait for tomorrow may never come. Life is short, and it is up to you to make the most of it. I know it may seem daunting to make a change, to step out of your comfort zone and into the unknown, but I promise you, my friend, that great things await you on the other side. All you have to do is start. Start by loving yourself. Start by being kind to yourself. Start by taking small steps towards a brighter future. It may not be easy, and there may be obstacles in your path. But remember, my friend, that you are not alone. You have the power within you to overcome any challenge that comes your way. You have the strength to face your fears and conquer them. You have the courage to let go of the past and embrace the present. Do not be afraid to change, my friend. Change is the only constant in life, and it is through change that we grow and evolve. Embrace the unknown with open arms, for it is in the unknown that miracles happen. Trust in yourself and trust in the universe to guide you on your journey. I send you all my love and support as you embark on this new chapter of your life. I believe in you, my friend. I believe in your ability to transform yourself and create the life you deserve. Remember, the power lies within you. All you have to do is take the first step. And once you do, the universe will conspire to bring you all the love, kindness, and greatness that you deserve. So go forth, my friend, and shine your light bright. The world is waiting for you to step into your power and embrace your true self. You are capable of amazing things, and I cannot wait to see all that you will achieve. Much love to you, always.